Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time zone. I hope you and your family are doing well and staying healthy. Today, I'm going to give you some tips on how to achieve healthy weight loss without too much effort, with a well-balanced diet and an appropriate calorie deficit. But first, remember that it is always a good idea to visit a doctor and have some tests done so you don't overlook any specific needs of your body. Even so, what I'm going to share today will help illustrate that losing weight is not complicated. With willpower, motivation, and dedication, you can overcome things that once seemed like a seven-headed monster. Losing weight is mathematics. We need to consume fewer calories than we burn. But that does not mean starving yourself. I will recommend physical activities along with your daily diet. I will show you a balanced plan to follow from Monday to Wednesday, dividing the training sessions into morning, afternoon, and evening periods. So, let's begin. Monday, 7:30 a.m. Pre-workout breakfast. Whole wheat bread with scrambled eggs and papaya. 8:30 a.m. Session 1. Brisk walking for up to 15 minutes and 20 minutes of light running and jumping. 10 a.m. Post-workout snack. Natural yogurt with chia seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica. 1 p.m. Lunch. Grilled chicken with brown rice, beans, and a salad. 4 p.m. Session 2. Strength training with squats, planks, and push-ups, 3 sets each. 5 p.m. Post-workout snack, banana with peanut butter. 7:30 p.m. Dinner, egg white omelet with spinach. 10 p.m. Late snack, chamomile tea, for a calm and healthy sleep. And don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more tips about your health. Tuesday, 7 a.m. Pre-workout breakfast, banana smoothie with oats. 7:45 a.m. Session 1, regular running for 30 minutes. 9 a.m. Post-workout snack, apple and almonds. 1 p.m. Lunch, grilled fish, sweet potato, and broccoli. 4 p.m. Session 2, arm training with push-ups, bench triceps dips, and biceps using bottles as weights. 5 p.m. Post-workout snack, yogurt with granola. 7:30 p.m. Dinner, vegetable soup with chicken. 10 p.m. Late snack, warm milk. Wednesday, 7:30 a.m. Breakfast, whole wheat bread with white cheese and orange juice. 8:30 a.m. Session 1, cycling or dancing for 40 minutes. 10 a.m. Post-workout snack, pear and nuts. 1 p.m. Lunch, lean meat with low fat levels, brown rice, beans, and arugula. 4 p.m. Session 2. Abdominal workout with side planks and glute bridges for 40 minutes. 5 p.m. Post-workout snack, strawberry smoothie with yogurt. 7:30 p.m. Dinner, vegetable omelet. 10 p.m. Late snack, fennel tea. About hydration. Drinking natural water helps reduce bloating and fills the stomach. Try to drink up to 2 liters per day. If that's difficult, try mixing water with lemon. I'll also leave you with a quick and powerful green juice recipe. Blend 1 kale leaf, 1 slice of pineapple, the juice of 1 or 2 lemons, a small piece of ginger, and 200 milliliters of cold water. Strain if you prefer and drink immediately. It's very good, and I guarantee it will bring noticeable results. I'll wrap up this video here, and in the next one, I will talk about Thursday through Saturday and bring another very good recipe. See you soon.